Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the device you control. Sign into accounts. Google. Com with the Gmail you intend to remove from another device. Once signed in, go straight to Security in the left menu. This gives you control over signed-in devices. Make sure two-step verification codes are nearby if you use them, because you may need to confirm actions. Now, select your devices to view active sessions. This is where you'll identify the other device to remove and begin the disconnect process. Locate the specific device by checking device type, location, and last activity. This avoids signing out the wrong device. Once identified, click the device entry to open details. Here you'll see options like Sign Out or Remove Access. Select that option and confirm when prompted. This revokes the device's token and stops Gmail sync. Make sure to repeat for any additional devices. After signing out remotely, the device will need your password to sign in again, preventing future access. After you remove the device, refresh the devices list to confirm it no longer appears. If the device persists or still accesses mail, change your Google account password immediately and revoke any app passwords or third-party access. This forces reauthentication everywhere. Make sure recovery email and phone are correct so you receive security alerts. If problems continue, sign out of all devices from security and wait a few minutes before testing. That clears cached tokens and secures the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.